Ever wondered how a product, from the time it starts as a raw material, journeys through a labyrinth of processes, emerging as a finished product, ready for distribution? Or how the intricate dance of manufacturing addresses the challenges of efficiency, quality control, and traceability? Enter Smidnya Technologies, a beacon of innovation in the manufacturing industry. Picture a raw material entering the manufacturing line. It's a world of chaos and precision where every moment counts. Here, Smidnya's track and trace systems come into play. Using advanced technologies like RFID, barcode scanning, serialization, and data analytics, these systems monitor, record, and trace products throughout their entire life cycle. The result? Enhanced inventory management, improved supply chain visibility, and the ability to swiftly identify and address any issues or discrepancies. As the raw material transforms into a product, quality control becomes paramount. This is where Smidnya's vision systems step in. These high-tech systems use cutting-edge imaging and artificial intelligence technologies to inspect, analyze, and verify products with unparalleled accuracy. High-resolution cameras, machine learning algorithms, and image processing techniques work together to detect defects, measure product dimensions, and ensure adherence to quality standards. The outcome is a significant reduction in errors and operational costs, and an improvement in product quality. So what does this mean for the manufacturing industry? Firstly, efficiency. Smidnya's solutions streamline manufacturing operations, reducing manual intervention and optimizing production processes. Secondly, quality assurance. The vision systems ensure stringent quality checks, reducing defective products and enhancing overall product quality. Thirdly, compliance and traceability. Track and trace systems aid in regulatory compliance by maintaining meticulous records and traceability, crucial for industries with stringent regulations. Fourthly, real-time insights. These systems provide real-time data and insights, enabling swift decision-making and proactive measures to address issues as they arise. Lastly, cost reduction. By minimizing errors, waste, and rework, manufacturers can significantly reduce operational costs and enhance profitability. To sum up, Smidnya Technologies' innovative track and trace systems and vision systems cater to the evolving needs of the manufacturing industry, offering comprehensive solutions that prioritize efficiency, quality, and compliance. Their commitment to technological advancement and customer-centric solutions positions them as a reliable partner for industries striving for excellence in their manufacturing processes. So, next time you hold a product in your hand, remember the journey it has taken. From raw material to finished product, every step has been carefully monitored and optimized thanks to the innovation and dedication of companies like Smidnya Technologies.